Hello, everybody. How you doing? My name is LEEMYTHEENTERTAINER. I'm in the studio right now. I'm about to put down my second CD, second album, however you want to call it. I hope I got a lot of good stuff on here for everybody to enjoy. Something new, something old, taking you back to the old school days. So I want y'all to sit back and enjoy a little sample of what I'm about to give you. All right? Check this out. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on to me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo! Yeah. Peace. Let me wait this out.